How to enable dark mode on Instagram. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to reduce eye strain and save battery power by enabling dark mode on Instagram? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to enable it. Open Instagram on your device. You will land on its official home page. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the bottom right corner. You will be directed to your Instagram profile page. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top. A menu will appear. Select settings and privacy. Scroll down until you see your app and media section. Tap on accessibility. Then tap on dark mode. Here are two ways to toggle on dark mode. Set it to on to activate dark mode immediately, or set it to system default to let dark mode follow your device system settings. Let's see the demo for both options. Select on. As you can see, dark mode is enabled. Select system default. As you can see, it switches to light mode because my device dark mode is off. To turn on dark mode based on your system settings, swipe down on your screen, find the dark mode option and enable it. As you can see, dark mode is now enabled. You might have been confused at the moment, thinking which option is the best way to enable dark mode on your device. I recommend selecting the on option if your device does not have a built-in dark mode setting like mine. Also, it has a con part. Whenever you need to turn off dark mode, you need to repeat the same steps as I shown in this video earlier and select off option to toggle off dark mode. But if you have dark mode feature inbuilt on your device, then let it be set to system default. This way you can easily toggle dark mode on and off within few seconds on Instagram. And there you have it. You have successfully learned two best ways to enable dark mode on Instagram. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.